Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to generate video overviews inside Google NotebookLM. Video overviews are designed to transform your sources into an AI-narrated video made up of structured slides. These videos automatically pull images, diagrams, quotes, and important numbers directly from your documents. Let's go step by step and see how this works. Prerequisites for video overviews. Before generating a video overview, make sure of two things. First, you must open an existing notebook or create a new one and upload sources. Second, you must have edit access to the notebook. If you only have view access, you won't be able to generate or delete a video overview. I am inside my notebook called AI Research Project. On the right side of the screen, you can see the studio panel. Inside the studio panel, I select video overview. As soon as I click it, NotebookLM starts generating a new video. The important thing to understand is that video generation happens in the background. This means you do not need to wait on the screen. You can continue asking questions, creating notes, or generating other artifacts while the video is being created. NotebookLM may take some time to generate the video overview, especially for notebooks with many or complex sources. You can safely come back later and check the result. Now let's talk about customization. To customize a video overview, look at the video overview tile in the studio panel. Click the pencil icon. This opens the customization options. First, you can choose the format. NotebookLM currently offers two main formats. Explainer is a structured, comprehensive video designed for in-depth understanding. This format is ideal for learning complex topics or teaching material. Brief is a bite-sized video that helps you quickly grasp the core ideas of a document. This is perfect for quick reviews or high-level summaries. Next, you can choose the language for the video narration. NotebookLM supports multiple languages, so you can generate videos for different audiences. Now let's look at visual style. If you are an 18+ user, you can select a visual style for your video. Some examples include classic, whiteboard, watercolor, retro print, heritage, papercraft, kawaii, and anime. You can also let NotebookLM auto select a visual style for you. Or you can choose custom and describe the visual style you want in your own words. This gives you creative control over how your video looks. Finally, you can provide a steering prompt. This is extremely important. The steering prompt allows you to guide NotebookLM on what to focus on. For example, you can ask it to focus only on certain sources, highlight real-world applications, explain the topic for beginners, or target business professionals. This ensures the video overview matches your exact goal. Once the video overview is ready, it appears in the studio panel. You can play the video directly inside NotebookLM. To start watching the video, simply click the play button. The video starts playing directly inside NotebookLM. The narration explains the topic, while slides show images, diagrams, quotes, and key points pulled from my sources. Now let's change the playback speed. Below the video, you can see a speed option which is set to 1x by default. Click on 1x and select a faster or slower speed. This is very useful if you want to skim quickly or slow down to understand complex sections. You are not forced to watch the video from start to end. You can move forward or backward using the playback slider. You can also use the rewind or skip forward buttons to jump across sections. This makes it easy to revisit important parts or skip sections you already understand. For a better viewing experience, you can switch to full screen mode. Click on the full screen icon and the video expands to fill your screen. This is especially helpful when you want to focus on visuals and slides without distractions. You can exit full screen at any time and return to the notebook view. Now let's look at the management options. Next to the video overview, click on the three-dot menu. From here you can perform several actions. Select Rename. Give the video a clear and meaningful name. For example, AI Revolution Video Summary. This becomes very important when you have multiple videos inside the same notebook. Next, select Download. NotebookLM downloads the video to your local system. You can now watch it offline, share it externally, or include it in presentations, courses, or training material. Click Share, and the video overview can be shared with others who have access to the notebook. Sharing follows the notebook's permissions. Viewers can watch the video, but only editors can regenerate or delete it. If you no longer need the video, select Delete. Remember, you must have edit access to delete a video overview. Once deleted, the video is permanently removed. Below the video, you will see two feedback options: good video and bad video. Use these buttons to rate the quality of the video overview. This feedback helps improve future video generations inside NotebookLM. A quick best practice. Use video overviews when you want visual understanding or need to explain concepts to others. Before we wrap up, remember this. Video overviews are AI generated. They may occasionally contain minor inaccuracies or visual glitches. Always verify critical information using your original sources.